In this video, I'm going to review the Privado VPN. I'm going to test out the speeds, see which locations it has, and test out any extra features that it has to offer. So let's get started. Now, before I start, I just want to say that I've included a link down in the description for the VPN. And with that link, you'll be able to check the price and you'll get any promotions or offers. So if you're planning on buying, you'll be able to get the best deal possible and the lowest price. So make sure you check that out first, and let's get started with the video. Okay, so to start off our Privado VPN review, I'm going to be doing a speed test. And first off, I'm going to do it on my home connection. Then I'm going to connect to the VPN. I'm going to do the test once more and then compare the speeds and see how much speed I actually lose when I'm using the VPN. So if I hit go, I'll get my home connection speed. So the speed test has completed, and as you can see, I've got 692 down, I've got 807 up, and I've got a ping of 2. Now I'm going to connect to the Privado VPN, and then once that connects, I'm going to refresh speedtest.net and let's see what kind of speeds we get. So my speed test has completed with the Privado VPN enabled, and these speeds are really good. We've got 484 down, 831 up, and a ping of 8. This upload speed is amazing. It's only about a 10% drop to my normal speed, and then the download speed is about 25%-ish drop compared to my normal home connection speed, which is perfectly normal when it comes to VPNs. The ping has only gone up to 8, which is great for gaming or anything else. So yeah, I'd say these speeds that Privado VPN is offering are really good and are some of the best in the industry. So now I want to go through the locations that Privado VPN offers, and in my opinion, they offer a mediocre amount of countries and cities to choose from. Whilst they do have a wide range of countries to pick, they don't offer that many cities per country. As you can see, most of these countries only come with one city. So they could definitely improve that by adding more cities per country, but they do offer such a wide variety of countries that you could cover the entire globe. So now I want to get into some extra features that Privado VPN has. The first feature is a kill switch, which is pretty common amongst most VPN services. All it does is block your internet from connecting to the outside world when the VPN is not enabled. So let's say you're connected to the internet and through the VPN and your home connection drops. Well, rather than reconnecting and then straight away going to the outside world, the VPN will first block your internet until you're connected to the VPN. And then once you're connected to the VPN, you can then connect to the outside world. And this stops any data leaks or IP leaks from happening. Next up is the VPN protocol section, where you can choose which protocol you want to use. I'm just using WireGuard in this instance because it's the fastest for me, but you can also choose to use OpenVPN or set it to automatic to let it choose for you. Next up, they have a smart route feature, which in most cases will be called split tunneling. What this allows you to do is set some programs to run through the VPN and some programs not to use the VPN. So let's say I want to run Chrome and Firefox, but I don't want Firefox to have the VPN on it. I just let Firefox bypass the VPN and I set Chrome to have the VPN. And this way, if I want more security or privacy on one browser, or I want to stream Netflix and I don't want any buffering or lag, then I can run it without the VPN and run the rest of my programs with the VPN enabled. So now I want to answer some frequently asked questions when it comes to the Privado VPN. The first is, can I use this VPN for Netflix streaming, and does it allow me to unblock geo-blocked content? And the answer is yes. Privado VPN is a great VPN for Netflix streaming with the high speeds. And if you go to a website like Unogs, you'll see all of the different TV shows that are listed for different countries. For example, this show here, or this movie called Hot Seat, is available only in the Netherlands. So if I connect to a Netherlands VPN, then I'll be able to watch this show on Netflix. So the next question is, can I use Privado VPN for torrenting? And the answer is yes. Privado VPN is again a great VPN service for torrenting, and you can use it for unlimited data and download as many torrents or peer-to-peer files as you want. So the next question is Privado VPN safe? And again, the answer is yes. They use AES 256-bit encryption, which is military grade encryption, and it's perfectly secure and safe to use. And the VPN has some great features like a kill switch, which further improve your security security and privacy. So the next question is, does Privado VPN store logs? And the answer is no, they do not store any logs. And because of their fantastic Swiss privacy laws, because they're based out of Switzerland, you can be rest assured that your privacy is secure and they're not keeping any logs or data on you secretly, like some other providers might do, which are based in other countries like the US or other countries in Europe. So for our final question is Privado VPN free? And the answer actually is yes. They do have a free version with limits, of course, which allows you to have 10 gigabytes of data per month. You can pick between a limited amount of 12 servers, and then you can only have one simultaneous connection, but you do benefit from the 0 logs and all of the other great features that Privado has. If you did want to upgrade and use more data, then you could upgrade to a monthly plan, or you could choose to go for a 12-month plan, which would save you more money. So that sums up the video. I hope you enjoyed. As I said at the start of the video, I've included a link down in the description for the VPN, and this will give you the best price possible, and I'll make sure to include any coupons or discount codes that I find. So if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and make sure that you leave a like on the video.